So guys, today I am going to show you about the Minecraft agent 007. How can you create the agent and how can you order him? Come here, go up, go down, go right, go left. So without wasting our time, let's go to our screen.
So guys, this is the first interface. You will find it. You will click here, play. This is the first screen of the Minecraft. Once you will click on play, you will find this interface. Here you have to click on the create new. Okay. Once you will create new, you will find this screen here. You will write the name of the world. Suppose agent. Okay. It's creative and peaceful. And now I will click on play. So it will upload, it will give you the city or the area where I will show you how you will call the agent. You will give the instruction to the agent. If we press T, so we can chat, we can write, we can communicate. Okay, now this is the first screen. You can see we don't have any agent here. Here I press C, so I will find the agent here. Okay, now I want to give the instruction to this agent. I will press C again, and uh, I will give the instruction. He has to go right. I press C. I will click on new project. Okay, and I write agent project name and click on create. Okay, here you will find this type of screen. We don't want on start, so we will drag and put in the garbage. Yeah, if we don't want this, we just need this one. Okay, here I change the name. I write TP. TP means teleport. So you can use any shortcut. I am just writing TP. Okay, now I will go to, you can see now, once I write TP, I press T and I write here TP. So the agent will come to me. I go far away from the agent again and I write again. I press T and I write TP. Okay, now I will duplicate this. Three duplicates I will make it so I can explain you easily. Okay, one, two, and the third one. Basically the four, so it will be easy to explain you. Okay, now once I create, I duplicate, I write lt yani left. I remove this because I will put something else here. Here I write rt yani right. Here I write up yani up, and one more duplicate I will take it, so I will say down dp. Okay, I am giving my shortcut. You can write yours. Now I will go to agent and I will take this agent turn left. Okay, again I will go agent and I will take left and I will change into right. From the arrow I will press. Now again I will go to agent and I will take the second one. Okay, I will change from here up and here down. Now again I come, and whatever you will write in the instruction, it will show you the same thing.
If you like this and you understand, if you have any question, any problem, you can ask me. I will give you answer, and the next video I will explain you some new features in Minecraft. So till the next video, take care. Bye.